Have you seen it yet? The new Pi wallet update has dropped, and with this, a new game-changing feature that might finally make buying Pi easier than ever. But with new doors opening, scammers are already lurking around the corner, waiting for their chance to strike. In today's video, I will walk you through exactly how the new buy option works, how you can safely get Pi using Banxa or On Ramps, and that is going to be done via using your debit cards, and most importantly, how not to get scammed. Please stay to the end of this video and I will explain that scary notification that everyone has been asking, missing Pi from Banxa. That is going to be addressed in this video. So friends, if you are ready to transact in Pi coin, buy, swap, sell safely and conveniently, then smash that like button, share this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to Crypto Talk and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified when we drop new updates and new videos. Please, let's dive in. For years, one of the biggest questions from pioneers has been, when can I finally buy Pi coin legally and safely? Why do I say legally and safely? Because even up to this moment, people have been questioning and be asking that, is it legal to buy Pi coin from the exchange? Well, this update answers that. The Pi wallet now integrates a buy Pi feature with secure providers like Banxa and On Ramps. So for the first time, you can use your debit card or even direct bank transfer to get Pi without shady peer-to-peer trades. Does this sound good? Because to me, it really does, and have put an end to so many confusion out there that buying from the exchange is not good, that the Pi on the exchange is different from the Pi on the Pi wallet browser. So let's go right in and see how this works. So this is the new feature, and we have the buy option here. When we click the buy option, and it takes us to this window like so, and on this window we have three options where we can obtain Pi. We can obtain Pi by buying directly on our Pi wallet, and we can also obtain Pi through the exchange, which is going to later come on board, but here it is not yet activated, so it is in gray. Now we can also obtain Pi by mining. So through your wallet you can obtain Pi by clicking here. You go to your mining app. Let's focus on this, that is so important. So when we click here, it takes us to the On Rampa, and on the On Rampa, this is where the big deal is, and this is where the most secure transaction on Pi yet takes place. Now, why do I say so? This is the On Rampa pop-up where the most secure, most trusted transaction take place on the Pi wallet, and it's going to pick up straight your country of residence. As you can see right here, it picks Nigerian naira, and here I can spend up to 30,000 naira to get 41.98 Pi. And to get that, you can see here that one Pi is equals to 683 naira, and on this particular page you can choose full method of obtaining your Pi through the On Rampa Money, which is another platform entirely to get Pi via your bank account or whatever means, but very easy with your fiat, right? Then you can also see the Banxa also already here. However, as at this particular moment, it has not been activated in my region or on my wallet, but it may be activated in other regions, so you can check that out. But I'm going to be focusing on the On Ramp money that is available and activated to me, so that's why I spent my fiat to get the desired number of Pi that I want. Now we see that I'm going to spend through my bank. The bank is being chosen. So if I click buy Pi, so when you connect through your Pi wallet to the On Ramp website, it's going to automatically load your wallet detail, and you can see that on this particular website, this is where the transaction takes place. You can see that 41.97 Pi is going to be sold for me at 30,000 naira, and you can see that my wallet address is right here on the other page. However, before you can be able to come to this point where I am, you're going to do some verification on the On Ramp website. You're going to do KYC, which is very simple. You're going to do a video KYC, and you're going to do a photo taking KYC, and you're going to link some details depending on your country or the region where you are coming from. What is obtainable in your country is going to be accepted here to have that your KYC done on the On Ramp, and after that you can proceed to use your bank details to make payments and buy Pi very seamlessly. Now let us look at the features that is available for us on this particular website to transact Pi. Now, as we open here, we can see that there is a buy feature, there is a sell feature, there is where you can buy gift cards, and also you can swap. Then you can also see your profile, edit your profile, and you can add or remove your bank account. Now, as we click sell, this is what it tells us, which makes it so sweet and so easy. Now, it says that you should select the bank that you want your fund of the proceed from selling Pi to be sent directly to. So I have two accounts, right, imputed in this website. So I can select which account I want the proceed of my sale to go into by selecting and what and proceed. And still on this particular page, you can still add more accounts that you want your money to be sent to. So that makes it so easy, so sweet. So now anybody can do what? Make trade, sell Pi, swap Pi for any cryptocurrency, and later convert it to their fiat money. And reverse can also be done, that is by using the funds of fiat money in your bank account and purchase Pi, directly into your wallet. Now let's talk about one of the controversial features associated with this new update that have created a lot of questions, confusion, and fear in the minds of so many people. And it is this simple question: missing Pi from Banxa. The word missing brings fear because a lot of Pi coin has been stolen. So people are saying, does it mean that the Pi is missing? Not at all. Before then, look at the screenshot on this video. This is what you're going to notice for the first time you open your Pi wallet. You're not going to see this missing Pi from Banxa. And that is because you have not yet interacted with this feature, buy feature. But as soon as you interacted with this buy feature, your locked up Pi, which is going to change to missing Pi from Banxa. This is just a question, it's not a statement. And you have this feature, please do not panic. Your locked up Pi is safe. So let's put an end to the fear associated with this question. So friends, that is how simple it is. But there's this problem. When new features like this come, scammers will always take advantage of people who may not understand some certain features. So how do you avoid all of this? Please be careful of fake Banxa payment confirmations, and be very careful in clicking any links that does not come from the official Pi network. Most of these links are phishing links mimicking Pi wallets, buy interface, or promises of cheaper, faster Pi. If you bypass any Pi official channels, then you are in for a big trouble. This new update, if you are not sure of what you are doing, please ask questions, ask official Pi support, or you can reach out to me. Let's keep ourselves secure. And if you have any question, don't forget, just drop it on the comment section. And if you have any additional feature that can help our community, please drop it on the comment section. Let us share how we can protect ourselves together. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. And in my next video, I'm going to discuss the reason why Pi coin price will continue to drop, or we continue to stay low for some time. But that does not mean that the Pi business is over. As a matter of fact, the best is yet to come. Stick around, stay subscribed. I'm going to see you again in the next video. Guess what? I love you so much. Bye bye for now. Peace out.